Hey everyone, it's Bob again, and it's Monday morning. And right now we're just getting our other load unloaded from last week. And then we're gonna start off on something new again. We're getting another 70-foot long load of poles, and this time it's gonna go up to North Dakota. So we're gonna finish getting unloaded here, and then we'll get started on that one. Okay, here's my load. And I don't know how they're going to do this because it can't go on like that. Because I got a stretch trailer for a reason. They got a lot of overhang for those 70 footers. So I'm thinking they've got to have that on the bottom with me stretched out. What the load is those two 70 footers right there. And then I got four 75s down on the bottom and one 100 footer up on top. And anything over 70 feet, they split up. So I got the other four smaller sections up there for the 75s. And then this longer one is for the 100. But I think that middle section's got to go on the bottom. We'll see how they do it, but I don't think it can go on like that. There's way too much flopping around off the back. Oh, they're smoother already. Well, we got loaded and I went to the shop, and Clay, our shop guy, he changed my steer tires because I was getting a little bit of edge wear, and so they got me some new steer tires, and they're gonna run those old ones out on a trailer. Now we're on our way. It's showing about 13 and a half hours. I've already got my permits all ordered, so we'll run on up the next stop will be up at Evanston to get that permit, because that one you have to go in and get. I'd like to make Gillette, but I don't think I'm going to have enough time, so I'm probably going to stop at Midwest again. Okay, well, we got up here to Midwest, Wyoming again. Almost 11:30, about 20 after. I had about 25 minutes left on my day clock. I had plenty of time of driving, but because it took so long to get the tires changed and get loaded and get unloaded first thing this morning, it just ate up that 14 hours, so that's what you got to deal with. We'll be able to get going about 9:30 in the morning. The big question is, am I going to be able to get there in time for them to unload me tomorrow? The only thing we can do is give it our best shot. We might have to wait till Wednesday morning. We might be able to make it. I don't know. We'll find out. It's Tuesday and we're rolling again this morning. I called the guy that's the contact for this job and got his answering machine. So I left a message and hopefully he'll be able to get back with me and then we'll be able to set this up to unload this afternoon. I should get up there about 4 o'clock. I don't know if that's going to be too late, but hopefully it won't be. So we'll see if he calls me back here in a bit and we can work it out. Well, we got up here, couldn't get a hold of anybody, so I'm sitting here next to a substation. Hope I'm not absorbing too many electrical whatever is it, the theory is that you can get from that. But anyway, we're here. They're still trying to get a hold of people. We got a hold of corporate, and they're trying to get a hold of the local people, so it's always fun when that happens. Anyway, so yeah, I'm not getting unloaded today, so hopefully we'll get a hold of somebody for in the morning. Alright, we're getting going this morning. My plan of parking here worked really good. A guy showed up for work at 7 a.m. Had no idea about this load, but he made some phone calls, and now we're getting ready to go about 15 miles north of town to another laydown yard, is what he says. Either that or he's got a place to bury the body, and he's going to take me out there and dump me. Well, we got all unloaded. It took them a while, but they were big pieces. Some of them were heavy. I was surprised they took two at a time of the little ones with the straps. I was a little uncomfortable, but they seemed to be all right with it. We're on our way back. Said there wasn't anything heading back this way because we need to reload this trailer with another load of poles coming back out. Different place, but we got to get back so we can load it on probably right when I get back on Thursday. Different route home. I wish you could say that it was intentional, but I thought it was further to the exit for the 85 south down to Spearfish, so I totally missed the turn. But it was only 8 minutes longer to take this route that we're going this way. We just crossed into Montana and we're on the 94, and we're going to be taking a smaller highway, I imagine, south, and we'll see what that looks like. get home. There's no problem there, but it's going to be a little different, so new territory. So we'll see how this way ends up being. Okay, I've got... We've called it a day. We are just outside of Rock Springs. It's called Point of Rocks. Yeah, I had 8 minutes left on my day clock, so I had to find some place quick. And this place looks like it'll work out okay. Anyway, it was interesting to see Devil's Tower. I had no idea I was going to go by it, and to go by that close. I was like, this is kind of cool. So still got 4 hours to get home, so we'll go to bed and we'll get going in the morning and get that done. Well, we got home. It's just about noon on Thursday. Had a little trouble finding a place to drop the trailer. You'll need it for the load that I'm scheduled for next week. But we had to figure out where we could put it out of the way, so that was a little bit of a challenge. That'll wrap this one up. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.